Good morning, children. Today we are going to start new chapter in maths, chapter 2, whole numbers. So, children, all of us know what are numbers. We can say 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are called numbers. So what are these numbers? These are natural numbers, or we can say counting numbers. Okay. Today in this chapter we will read about whole numbers. अभी तक हमने नेचुरल नंबर्स के बारे में पढ़ा है. Today we will read about whole numbers. So in this chapter we will cover 4 parts: introduction to whole numbers, number line, properties of whole numbers, and pattern in whole numbers. Today we will just cover introduction to whole numbers. Okay, so let us see what it is. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Why counting numbers? Because we can count it. If I put my one finger here, you will say, ma'am, this is 1, this is 2, again this is 3 and so on. So in this way we can say that these are counting numbers. Let us add one more number, that is 0, to the collection of natural numbers. Now the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called whole numbers. What we did here, हमने क्या किया? We just added 0 to these numbers. हमने इस sequence में या इस numbers में 0 आगे put कर दिया. So the sequence becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And this sequence becomes whole numbers. Okay. We can say that whole numbers consist of 0 and natural numbers. 0 and natural numbers. Therefore, except 0, all are natural numbers. See, I have made a diagram here for you. This is a box of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we remove 0 or put 0 in one box, in different one box, so we will get only natural numbers. Okay, so these are whole numbers. There are some facts of whole numbers which you should keep in your mind. First one is the smallest natural number is 1. Second, the number 0 is the first and smallest whole number. 0 सबसे पहला और सबसे छोटा whole number होता है. Third, there are infinitely many or uncountable of whole numbers. We can't say that whole numbers stop here. हम नहीं कह सकते कि यहाँ पे counting खत्म होती है. Infinite मतलब अनगिनत, अनंत. हमें नहीं पता counting कहाँ तक जाती है. Fourth, all natural numbers are whole numbers. जितने भी natural numbers होते हैं वो whole numbers होते हैं. Fifth, all whole numbers are not natural numbers. पर जितने भी whole number होंगे, मतलब yes, we can say like that also, that जितने भी whole numbers होंगे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो natural number हो. जैसे one example is there that 0 is a whole number but it is not natural number. 0 whole number तो होता है but natural number नहीं होता है. Sixth, 0 does not have a predecessor whole number. हमने आपको बताया था what is the meaning of predecessor. Predecessor means just behind, पीछे वाला. So is there any whole number behind 0? No, nobody. So 0 does not have a predecessor whole number. Seventh, we can represent whole numbers on number line. हम whole numbers को number line पे represent करते हैं. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is number line and we are starting our counting from 0. So we can say the distance between 2 points like 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 4 and 3 and 4, 4 and 5 and so on is called unit distance. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 ये क्या होंगे हमारे? This distance will be called as unit distance. So children, this is introduction part of whole numbers. You read this, note it down. Okay, so today just only introduction I am covering, and next day we will start number lines. Okay.